Struggling to find all treasure chest locations in Forza Horizon 5? This guide reveals every single hidden chest, ensuring you collect those elusive rewards fast. We're diving straight into pinpointing every fortune across Mexico's vast landscape. First, let's master map filtering. Open your world map, navigate to the filter option, and specifically enable the treasure chests display. This instantly highlights known chest zones, making your initial search much simpler by revealing their general proximity. If simply filtering doesn't lead to your prize, the challenge often lies in deciphering the weekly treasure hunt clues, which brings us to our next strategy. For method 2, meticulously analyze the current treasure hunt clue. Identify key phrases or landmarks mentioned, then cross-reference these with your in-game map to narrow down the search area. Often, chests are hidden near specific environmental features hinted at in the text. Still can't find them? Sometimes the best solution involves external help. Method 3 suggests leveraging community maps and online guides. A quick search for Forza Horizon 5 community maps will lead you to player-verified resources that often provide exact coordinates or visual aids for every chest. This is incredibly efficient for sweeping up any remaining elusive treasures. Finally, if you're down to the last few stubborn chests, try method 4 using the drone mode workaround. Activate your drone in the suspected area and fly around. The drone's elevated perspective can often spot the distinct glow of a hidden chest or reveal smashable objects that conceal them, giving you that final edge to complete your collection. Don't miss out on any rewards. Grab every chest now!